Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Shadow and Bone Season 1, Episode 2. I just watched the Episode 1. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the link into the I just watched it, so I just discovered this show and I just discovered that universe. I said it during the intro of the last episode, I didn't read the books, but I knew that this show could please me because it's an all new universe to discover and it's the kind of one that I can appreciate really a lot. Even if I didn't read the books, I thought, of my binge watching of The Witcher and the fact that I fall in love with the show and I fall in love with this universe and this character. So I was like, why not trying also Shadow and Bone? Even if I didn't read the books, I think that my opinion on it can be interesting, as someone who didn't read the books, to see if the show is working well or not, if it's working well also for newbies like me who are discovering it. I saw the trailer and it really hyped me. So I was excited about it. I was also nervous, and I'm still now, because I just watched the episode 1 and I still didn't post anything about it on my channel. So I'm still a little anxious about how people, are gonna watch my videos. I'm really... total honesty, I'm really anxious about this fandom that I'm gonna discover with these videos, because I know the fandom of The Expanse, when I binge watch The Expanse, the Screaming Firehawks, they are the best of the best, they are so respectful, so nice, they are so welcoming, and they really took the time to explain me stuff all along the episodes, and they were respectful to not tell me any spoilers, and also I really appreciated them. And The Witcher, it was also a fandom, a passionate fandom, but I think that they are used to have new persons, to explain stuff to new persons because of the books, because also I think of the video games. For this fandom, Shadow and Bone, I don't know what to expect. I saw on Twitter and all that you are passionate, that you are impatient to discover that new show. I hope that it's everything that you wanted, really. I know how it is when you read books and that you love them and that you are waiting for the interpretation of it in shows and movies since a long time. I knew it because I lived it, of course, with Harry Potter and Lord of the Rings, but also with Game of Thrones, also with His Dark Materials. So I know how it is, so I really hope that for you it's working well, that this show is pleasing you, is everything that you wanted, and I hope that you're gonna be nice with me, that you're gonna appreciate my videos, and that you're not gonna be mad if I'm making some mistakes or stuff like that. I'm really watching this show like I could watch a regular show, and I'm really gonna give, of course, my honest reactions and thoughts about it. And that's why I'm a little anxious, because I'm discovering this show, this story, these characters, so I don't know if they are good or bad, if a situation is gonna end like that or like that. So I'm afraid that some of my opinions or theories are not gonna please the fans of the books, or are gonna be wrong, stuff like that. So please be respectful with me. I'm there, I'm right there with an open mind and with also some excitement to discover it, with respect also. I don't want to tell you guys what to think, You as fan of the books, your universe, how it's working, so I'm not gonna tell you stuff, I don't think that you're gonna learn stuff with me. I don't know now if I'm gonna post these reaction videos. I'm gonna see that, if I'm falling really for the show, in love with the story, with the characters and all. I'm gonna see that during the first episodes. I told to myself that I was gonna try at least the 3 first episodes before deciding. If you are watching this on YouTube, it means that I decided to react to the entire season. I really liked the first episode. because it was so well done, you know, filmed. The pictures were great, the music, oh, I was impressed by the music. There was subtle, you know, we had some big music moments, but all along the episode we had music, and it was subtle, but it was a strong one, a good one. I really fall in love with the music and how it was filmed. Beautiful pictures, but also, you know, the costumes and the decor, you know, the cinematography of the show was really great. I really appreciated it. The story, I'm honest with you, I didn't get all of the different locations, you know, all of the different places. Really, I need a map to understand everything, and they showed us a map, but not really for a long time, so I didn't get it. And they are really putting a lot of references to a lot of different cities, to a lot of different monies, to a lot of different stuff, which can be good, you know, for you as fan of the books, because it's references that you know and that you're expecting in the show and that you understand just like that. Me, I have to understand what it is, you know, when they are naming it, a country, a money, something, you know. To understand what it is, I have to try to put it into a map, I have to remember it. You know, it's a lot, you know, for a first episode, and they are really not taking the viewers by the hand, which is great, something that I like, but it's more difficult, you know, when it's an all new universe to discover with a new map, you know, new places and all. It's hard at the beginning to have all of this information, and total honesty, I had 20% of it, maybe just that. I was more focused on the characters, on trying to remember all of their names. So I've got, you know, Alina, Mal, Alexei, General Grigan, can't remember that, Kaz, Jesper, Inej, Drusen, Pekka Rollins, I'm forgetting one, Milana. I've got these ones. I forgot the name of this girl, you know, flirted with Mal. I think that she can be important. Alexei, he died, that's it. We already lost him. And I think that it's all of the names that I remember. Same, you know, they were dropping a lot of different names and all. I think that some are gonna be important, some were just references also, like winks for the fans of the books. I think that you appreciated it. Me, it was just confusing me even more. Do I have to know who are these persons already? Do I have to remember their names? Are they gonna be important or not? It was just confusing me more. So yes, for the different places, 20%. For all of the different characters, I think that I've got the most important ones. For the rules of this universe, I have so many questions about the Fold. For sure, how it happened, you know, like, was it created or not? By who? If it was created by someone. How can it be, you know, that thing, the creatures, they're coming from where? That thing is magical for sure. For how long it is right there? What Alina did just right there, she was a sun summoner. Is it rare? But what she did was exceptional. All of these persons having powers, I think that these powers are related. No, I was gonna say with the 4 elements, because one was fire, the Inferni, another was with air, I didn't get the name. We had a squaller, I didn't get what you were doing. We have an art render, so not everything is related to the 4 elements. The art render, I don't know if it was to have someone telling the truth or to have someone obeying. We have a prediction, a saint who can summon the sun, who is gonna resolve that. Inej, she's also a believer, you know, so there is a kind of face right there, so maybe it's that, the ones who are believing into that prediction, maybe? See, that's already a lot of information for someone who is just discovering this universe. I have the impression that I had the important informations. I have other ones, you know, into my head, which are already living their own lives and are trying to find a place to pop at the moment when it's needed. But right there I think that it's already enough for an intro to tell you where my mind is right now and how I'm seeing the show right now. I think that for fans of the books, the first episode was really what you wanted, what you were expecting, and was perfect because it was about the story, but you met also all of the main characters. You had all of these references to this universe. I know that as fan of books, it's great when you have a show or movie doing that, so I can imagine that you liked it. For me, with a newbie, that was really not a challenge, but a real gymnastic to be focused on the show, to remember things, to try to jump from a place to another, to characters to another, being like, are you important or not? Do I have to remember your name or not? Your name is that. Okay, you're doing that. Your motive is to do that. Your relationship with that person is that. So, to do that for all of these persons. And I think that we're gonna have a lot of main characters. It's not a show like The Witcher, for example, with, at the beginning, 5 important characters, and then we are having, you know, some little ones like that that we can remember of. Really, right there I have the impression that we're gonna have 10 or 15 characters like that we're gonna really follow. It's gonna be more like Game of Thrones for that, you know, to have a group of characters like that, an important one, and we're gonna follow them. For the beginning, it's harder to remember them with an entire universe, with new rules, with new places, with all of that. I'm gonna watch one more episode today. I'm not gonna have the time to watch the third one today, so I will decide tomorrow if I'm gonna post these reaction videos or not on YouTube and also on Patreon. On Patreon you're gonna have extended reaction part, which means really extended reaction part. If you can be interested by that, you have the link to my Patreon on the description. So I will decide that tomorrow if I'm gonna post them or not. If you're watching this on YouTube, that's okay. It means that I'm gonna react to all of the season 1. And it's maybe better, you know, that I'm gonna decide that tomorrow, because I'm gonna have the time after this episode during the night and all to think about it and to see also if tomorrow with the third episode I'm gonna be excited to go back into that universe, you know, if they manage to catch me, to get me. You understand what I mean? We'll see. Let's go for this second episode. Please, no more characters for this episode. Maybe for the third one you can bring new ones, but right there I need to stay focused on these ones. Oh, and I want to be sure that Mal is okay. The guy seems nice.
Cute one. You don't do the test if you're sick or injured. It's like a little scrap with dinner. You're going to have to skip this year.
Oh, you are escaping that day?
Don't you want to know if you're Grisha?
She already knows.
What if we can't go together?
Okay, I said that I can ship them quickly. My little smile right there is proving me that I already do. Oh no! At least you're okay. Oh! You're an healer with magic. Okay.
Bring her to the General's tent. That's a note to the shopping.
That's a note saying no.
We can't go.
Can't we?
I can't go. You crack how to find a way across that, but that doesn't solve this problem, does it?
If I can't crack this, none of us are going anywhere.
And if you do,
Then maybe you stay here.
I thought that you cared about her.
maybe I won't be here when we get back.
Inez!
Not nice. Oh, we're gonna meet the general. Oh, the light like that. You're not from this show? Westworld! And you're in black also like that.
What are you?
Mapmaker, sir.
You don't know what you did, Alina? That was pretty obvious, you know?
So who actually saw what happened?
We were attacked. Only 2 markers in.
She was shining.
Someone lit a lantern.
Can you summon light?
It seems so.
And when were you tested?
He was not.
You don't remember.
What? What are you gonna do?
The General Curious. Oh boy. Which is the sun summoner?
The Sun Summoner. So she's the only one.
She's using Grisha when they realise they made a mistake. What do you think they'll do to her?
She hid herself, I think. She knew that she had that into her. You're seeing it, Mal? You knew it, Elena? No? The Sun Summoner. There is only one. The one from the prediction, that's it. Hello! No one is seeing. Ah! That's a polite guy.
I know you saw Jason. You got the jump on whatever job he has. Here's the deal. You can do nothing. Walk away from him. Not even close. The other option is not cave your head down with your own cane and dump you in the harbour.
No, I'm beginning to like
That first
him,
option
guys.
seems better
Don't
now.
do that.
Don't tell him.
I'm not sure that he's a nice guy, but he's interesting.
Me? No.
He's obsessed with taking down Pecorons.
Of course he's obsessed with the one villain in town.
That's one's revenge.
Ah, some background right there.
Of course she calls for me now.
Watching the menagerie.
French, une ménagerie. It's kind of a zoo.
I've been warned off the job. Did you know that? If he had, I'd be dead.
From where you want revenge. If he would remember you, he would have killed you. Cause what do you want to do, or what can you do? He's someone who is really determined, you know, to do things and all. He knows what he wants.
An incentive to keep playing. Counted for me. West Africans count their money from one hand to the other. But people out east who work the mines in Sikursk, they count like you do. You're lying about where you're from because you fled.
You're clever, cause
My daughter is Grisha. Neither of us wanted her to fight in the war. You can't make us give up. He just went by a title.
he.
The conductor. I don't know what else to tell you. Give me
Where to find him?
a name, an address, a contact, someone you worked with.
He left us with a stage performer who took us in for a few nights. Poppy.
Poppy? Do you know Poppy?
There's been a mistake. I need to find him out.
The general does not make mistakes. His orders were to get you to the palace immediately.
Do I look important to you?
You look like trouble.
You look afraid.
Every spy in the area will soon hear what you did. Our enemies will come for you. Our only chance to get you to Osaka behind palace walls before you get killed.
Mal? Oh no! You didn't know, really? Why are they afraid to be Grisha?
Go back to what?
It's good now to have powers. Huh? I like your style, Inej. It's only the ones around the belt.
I have some work for you. I work for Casbracker now. That's not entirely true. Mr. Bracker still has 5 more installments on you.
Do you have a debt, you know, that you have to pay to her?
Do you want to go with him? If you want to leave, you must be paid in full. That's too much. Cass doesn't have that. Find this man and kill him for me, and you are free and clear. Our business will be done. But it must be tonight.
You want to be free, and then you can go willingly with Cass.
He's in the same business that brought you to my door. Sells to the White Rose, but won't sell to me.
I can like you.
Just a
Whoa! How did he do that?
That's why I can like you.
I need you to kill him off me.
Oh,
is gonna do it for you?
You know why?
Yeah. But how's getting me to do it any different from you doing it?
Will you help me out?
Like I said, of course. But Jasper, new job.
I know!
She did it again.
She can disappear and appear like that. That's her power. This episode is easier, you know, for me who didn't read the books. It's less references to different places, money, stuff.
Kind of a reality. It's just been a theory, a picture in a story. Until now.
It's nicer inside the walls of the little palace, but out here, when you're different, when you look different, everything's at risk of becoming a fight.
Because for years, being Grisha was a death sentence. At least now, thanks to General Jurgen, you're protected. That's how you survive. And not being overlooked.
No?
Making good luck. And knowing you're powerful.
Before, when you were a Grisha, when you had powers,
All of rough guys.
you were killed.
I get it. The whole
Now
country's
you are used.
But it's bigger than that.
Okay, I can imagine the relation that they have with
It's
Grishas.
the Grisha who created the fold. If the Grisha destroys it, maybe.
Ah! A Grisha created the fold. I said it, that it was magic, so someone created it. You have to be powerful to create something like that. The opposite of Amina. She's the light, it's the Grisha who was the darkness. Amina? Oh, you can listen. The spoiler, it's the air, you know. I think that we don't want you to be taken by these guys. They don't seem nice. Oh no! Which? A darkling? I'm sorry, but someone with his kind of powers created is your total opposite. You're the light, is the darkness. Okay, I'm gonna begin to make series.
I don't want to explode something for